our song right now, bro.
We're good.
We need girlfriends.
Oh God, we do, bro.
What's up, guys? They watching another video. Today we are back with a really sick video. A video that a lot of you guys have been suggesting. We got the homie Jay's car behind us, the G82 on 4. It's been in the last videos and a lot of you guys have been commenting to make a video with this car. So that's what we're about to do today. Make a little video with the G82, show you guys how fast it is and how crazy it is and how badly I want one, bro. They're sick. We got all the homies here. We got Peter, David, and of course Jay.
We're back.
But you're famous now, huh? What happened yesterday, Jay?
What? Oh, actually went to a bar, we were drinking, and literally some dude comes up to us and he was like, I've seen you guys. We're like, oh, for real? Like, where? He was like, I seen you guys on YouTube. And I was like, sheesh. I was like, where? He's like, I'm a longtime fan of Nick. He was like, I seen you guys on Nick's channel.
That's crazy.
And I was like, bro, what the fuck?
Well, shout out to that homie, but it's funny how
sure.
Jay's getting noticed now, bro. All the homies. Everyone's commenting about you, bro. You're famous now.
Not even, bro.
Everyone wants to see you more in the videos. But we got Jay's car here, and we're going to film a whole video with it. I know, so let's get it washed, and then we'll go, I don't know, mess around, beat on the M4 a little bit. He said he'll take us for a ride, do some launch controls, show you guys how fast it is. This shit is crazy, bro. And he'll talk about all the mods that it has and stuff like that. But this thing is so sick, bro. I love it. It's one of my favorite G82s. It's just so clean and simple. On the outside, he got some carbon fiber. I think these are the Vorsteiner ones. I'm not sure, honestly. M4 CSL. I don't know, to be honest, but I'll let Jay explain. But there's carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber lip, carbon fiber roof, of course. It's locked. We got red interior on the inside. This shit is sick, bro. Some crazy wheels, Toyos. But anyways, we're about to wash it real quick. Let's do a little cinematic. Bro, look at this water gun, bro. There's no way it's dripping that much. David's working on his day off, bro. Essential Dave, always detailing. In the bread toes.
There's too many cops over here.
Yeah,
Sheriff's Department?
Bro, that shit is crazy.
If you want to, I know a parking garage.
And we are done. Look how clean this thing is. It looks so nice when it's clean. Sheesh. His wheels were like black almost, bro. They had so much brake dust, but it's clean now. Now we're about to film a video with Jay's car. It's getting dark, unfortunately. Bro, I hate this daylight saving shit. It's way too dark. We're about to go find a place in LA maybe with some cool lighting. Maybe like a tunnel or something so we can get some flybys, maybe a little launch control, and just show you guys some clips of this car.
Bro, finally my interior looks so much better. Like before it looked like it was, the red was dying out.
But look how nice this shit is. She really has ambient lighting everywhere.
They're the wave, bro. You need pop on ASAP.
It's just so nice. Oh my god. But it's just so fast. It doesn't even make sense, bro.
It spins for everything too.
I've been telling Jay he needs to get a big ass tire on the back because this was on 20s, bro. What is it, 20s, 19s?
20s on the back and 19s in the front.
Oh! Want to race? We're in Jay's hood, bro. I don't know where I'm at.
You said we're in Jason.
You used to drift the shit?
Yeah, like crazy.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, like there's not many fucking back streets over here. I'm gonna go back that way.
Oh my god, bro. Bro, this shit is too freaking fast.
Good brakes.
Not like that 345.
Hell no, we gotta pull the e-brake, bro. That shit's scary.
Way faster than my GTR, so it's a little sketchy. And rear wheel drive.
I see the sides and everything.
What do you guys think? Should I get one? I need one. I'm over the GTR.
What you gotta do?
What's that?
I got my codes, bro. That's what happens when you go fast.
You change that shit?
Yeah.
No way. What color should we? What color? How's this look? Damn. Yeah, that's just fire. I think I would stick with the purple.
I like green too, but don't sleep on green.
That shit's sick. My GTR doesn't have any of this shit, guys. Our cars cost almost the same. and the GTR looks like literally like a Nissan, bro. This shit's fire.
This shit has like this shit.
Oh yeah. Bro, you can put up the volume like that. Isn't that crazy, guys?
You skip like this.
Bro, they spend so much.
You know all the cars we're setting off?
Jay's taking me on a date, bro. Alright guys, we made it to this rooftop. Too bad the sun is going down already, but we're gonna make a cool little video with the G80 still.
Guys, so this is my G82. It took me about like a year and a half to finally complete it, and we're still not even done. We got a couple more things left.
About to make it faster.
Yeah, we're gonna make it way faster. But yeah, basically right now we're just full bolts on, downpipe tune.
He's
intakes.
lying, bro.
I'm not lying.
Bigger
Stop.
turbo.
I'm not
Just
lying.
kidding.
Bro, I'll pop the hood right now. But yeah, literally, we're probably pushing like around like 650 to the wheel right now. Nothing too crazy, but
That's just fast, bro.
yeah, it's fast.
What is all this carbon shit? Is that the force center thing or no?
No, it's R44.
Oh.
So the grill, I got it from another brand, German Auto Accessories. Shout out to them. But then everything else is literally R44. And then I got a couple new stuff coming from them. I got like a grill, a new rear spoiler, and we might be getting a carbon hood for it. So
Damn, carbon hood would be fire, huh? No? You said no.
you don't think so?
It's too much carbon, bro.
It would look like my Forza car, bro.
But Jay has this exact car on Forza. I'm gonna put a picture right here, actually. His car on Forza looks just like it looks in real life.
Fuck yeah, that's not
Yeah.
They even said carbon fenders too. Oh yeah, also
Carbon
a drag
fenders would be
pack
sick.
too.
And yeah, drag pack for sure, because you can't be racing on these, bro. He's
Bro,
sliding everywhere.
Spinning everywhere. Yeah, I put the rims on. I got lucky got them from the steel from the homie. Shout out to him. We got them for like 1,800 and they're worth like 4 bands almost.
God damn.
Yeah, so they're like, I think they're called Divide Forge. The car was built by PQ. Literally, they put everything together.
Where we were at the other day.
I did the tail lights on my own. I
Was it
installed
hard?
those on my own. Yeah, but it literally took me like 3 hours to do that shit, bro. It was so
So
frustrating.
they don't come with that?
No, like literally changed this. I had 2 different carbon ones. Like I had a smaller carbon one, and I had like a bigger one. But it was too big, bro. So I just changed it to this one.
That's just sick.
I upgraded the diffuser, the wrap, and nozzle tech. Shout out to True Wraps. Got my car done at PQ with them.
It's like midnight blue, huh?
Yeah, it's a midnight blue super gloss. I'll burn out for you fat.
But yeah, this is fire, guys. I want one so bad, but I know a lot of people wanting to see this car on the channel. So. That's actually loud, bro. Oh, yeah,
All I did to it was just resonate or delete too. Like
Bro?
not anything crazy. Yeah, just resonate.
Austin, Valtronic, hook him up, bro. He needs an exhaust.
Real bad.
Bro, and he was telling me full bolt sounds isn't even that expensive, guys.
That's really not. It's like around like total process. Like you're looking like around like 5 bands, like 5,500. Like
That's
the labor
it.
and stuff.
5 bands and you can be this fast, guys. You can smoke any GTR.
Literally. In a group chat, if you don't got in a Socal G80 group chat, if you don't got laser lights, you're broke.
These are sick, bro. Look at that.
They're all parked up though.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Fuck it, we drive.
That's just sick. Yeah, he drives this car. That's why they look a little. Shit looks so good though, guys. Look at that. I want one. His is literally set up perfectly. Like it's so clean and simple. Jay's gonna do a burnout for you guys.
Oh, that's cute.
That's the new one, huh? It's okay. What do you guys think? You guys like the new one? 2 Series? It looks like a fish, bro.
You said a fish? No, I think it looks clean when you put like a body kit on that shit, bro. And he's making a left. Oh, making a right. Never mind.
It's not a cop, huh?
Bro, the lights,
He
yes.
had reindeer ears on his car.
Yes, after, bitch.
They thought it was a cop.
Hey, that was
You
Rudolph.
make the worst cop calls ever.
That was Rudolph.
Peter thought he saw a cop, but
Stay
it
off the
was
fucking road, Peter.
it was an explorer with reindeer ears. He just jumped the railroad track.
You seen that fight?
Bro, you literally jumped the railroad track.
You seen that?
Bro. I swear. What? I know he's true.
Bro, you for sure would have been scared, bro.
I hate driving with Jay, guys. Bro, it's gonna be so loud, bro.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.